Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll be doing some soya sauce chicken wing. Yeah man, that is it, some soya sauce chicken wing. So here's our chicken wing. We already washed off our chicken wings, so we're gonna get them seasoned up nicely. Yeah, so over here we have some we have our ingredients over here. We have some soya sauce over here. We have some all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, some chicken seasoning. We have some black pepper. We have a bell pepper. We have a spring onion. Yeah, we have a scotch bonnet, and we have a ginger and some fresh thyme. So that is it, guys. Yeah, and in the meantime, my kidney beans is cooking, so I'm gonna go ahead now and season up my chicken wings. Yeah man, so stick and stay like Gorilla Glue, soon come. Alright guys, we're gonna start the seasoning process. So we're gonna get, I've got a 3/4 cup measuring cup here guys, so we're gonna get some chicken seasoning and our wings like so, and we have some garlic powder as well. Yeah, so it's gonna be the same, yeah, on our chicken wings. So I have some all-purpose. Yeah, so we're gonna get some all-purpose on it as well, like so. We have black pepper, guys. We're just gonna sprinkle just a little black pepper, just a little black pepper over it, like. Yeah, and then we have our soya sauce. We're gonna get it in. Get our soya sauce. A little soya sauce over it, like so. Now we're gonna give it a good mix, good stir. Yeah. So we're gonna leave this rest for a little while, guys. Now I'm gonna head inside the kitchen and I'm gonna show you what's going on in my pot. You know what I mean? So stick and stay like Gorilla Glue, soon come. So this is my chicken. Done season up my chicken wings. This is it, done season up. I've got some ginger that I'm gonna put on it as well. So stay tuned, soon come. Alright guys, I'm gonna check on my kidney beans. Right, so is it? Yeah man. Yeah, they are cooked, guys. They are cooked to perfection. They've been cooking for a little while now. So yeah, they're cooked to perfection, guys. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get my coconut milk. In there I'm gonna get some fresh thyme, some fresh herbs and spring onion and stuff in there. So when I'm seasoning, getting the seasoning in, I'll show that to you. To stay tuned, we soon come. Okay guys, I'm back with you guys. So I'm gonna cook my soya sauce wings in this pot. So I'm gonna get some oil. I'm gonna get some oil in there now. Alright, just gonna drop just a little oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in there. And then we wanna drop little turmeric, just a little turmeric powder. Just like so. Yeah. And over here, guys, I've got some bay leaves. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with some bay leaves. Yeah. some ginger as well, and we have 4 garlic cloves, yeah. I don't bother to chop them fine, I'm just gonna put them in there as big as they hit, yeah. Drop them in there, yeah man, just like that. And then we have half an onion. So we're gonna get it in. Along with half a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper as well. So we're gonna get everything in there. We have some ginger, a little ginger here. So yeah, we'll get them in there. Yeah, man. So it's time now, guys. Yeah, man, for the aromatics. It's time for the aromatics, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it to brown. Cook for a minute or two. Wow. The flavor, guys, the flavor coming from this. It's not normal. It's not normal. So yeah, guys. So in the meantime, this is frying away. No need but to saute it for a bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna get some fresh thyme over here. You know, I'll be cooking my rice and peas in this pot, so I'm gonna get some fresh thyme in there. Along with some coconut milk. Let's get the milk in as well. Yeah. Yeah, some spring onion. Some spring onion, I'm just gonna get it in as well, yeah. Let's cut them. Alright, so yeah. Scotch bonnet, I'm gonna get some in there as well. Just like so. Stick and stay, guys. Like Gorilla Glue. Yeah man, we soon come. Alright guys, we're gonna get some butter along with some green pepper. So we have season up our rice pot, you know, guys. We have spring onion, we have fresh thyme in there as well. We have Scotch bonnet and a whole of pepper. Yeah, I mean, yeah man, a whole of pepper in the thing. And we add little salt tonight, guys. So we have put some pimento berries. Well, yeah man, it's in a shot. I'll get some pimento berries in there as well. So in the meantime that the cooker is there, let us drop a few pimento berries. Not a lot. No, that's a few pimento berries. Guys, you can use salt if you want, but I forget. Yeah, I didn't really use the salt. Yeah, I love to use vegetable stock and them things cooking my rice. Yeah, I mean, I didn't put no salt. I didn't use this one. Yeah. So yeah, I use my vegetable stock in my rice. Yeah. Right. So now I'm gonna go over to the chicken wings that we're cooking. As I said before, we're making some soya sauce chicken wings. Soya sauce chicken wings. So I'm gonna get them in the pot now. We're gonna get them in, like so. Give it a stir. Drop the sauce, and we have we're gonna get some. We're gonna get our soya sauce in over our chicken wings, like so. Already add some water in here, guys. Already add some water in. So we're gonna leave this to cook for at least in 15 minutes. Look at the color. Look at the color. Oh. I wish you could smell this, guys. I wish you could smell this. The aroma coming from this. Wow. Wow. So I'm just gonna rinse out this and get it juice. Get the juice that left back in the container, in the pot. Yeah, man. Right, so now we're gonna give it a stir. And we're gonna leave this. Look at this. Wow. Gonna leave this to go and cook. A while, about 15 minutes or so, guys, yeah? Oh, I didn't put my herbs, I didn't put my thyme, fresh thyme, so I'm gonna add it in as well. Yeah, man. So the rice and so the kidney beans already cooked, guys. Cooked to perfection. So here I season it up. Yeah, man, I already seasoned it up. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my rice. So stay tuned, soon come. Alright guys, let me give you a quick run through of what's going on. So over here, all rice and peas is finished cooked. Yeah, this is all rice and peas finished cooked. Yeah, man, that is it. And over here we have some steamed veg. Yeah, finished cooked as well. And these are our soya sauce chicken wings. Yeah. And in this pot here we have our gravy. So this is the juice that we cook the chicken wings in. So we use it to make our sauce. And when this is the sauce. And man, this is the sauce here. Nice chicken sauce. Yeah, that is it, man. So that is it, guys, for the minute. So we're gonna share out some food, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, we have finished the cooking process. So this is the finished product, our rice and peas and soya sauce chicken wing, along with some steamed vegetable on the side. So I'm gonna dig in on it, let you know what's going on. Lemon rice and peas, well tasty, guys, well seasoned. Tastes so good, so delicious. And these are the wings. I'm gonna try some of the wings. Wow. So good, guys. So good. Try some of the steamed vegetable. Yeah, man, that is it, man. So guys, what I want you to do for me, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm gonna buckle on with this. I'm gonna enjoy it. So stay tuned. Catch you in another one. Peace out.